Pork sisig. Meron tayo dito ng tenga ng baboy, nilaga sa tubig na may luya, paminta, dahon ng laurel, sibuyas, at asin. Gagawin natin itong masarap na pork sisig. Let's begin. Magpainit ng mantika sa kawali. Paalala lang mga idol, palamigin muna ang mga tenga ng baboy at siguraduhin tuyo ang mga ito bago prituhin. Kapag mainit na ang mantika, prituhin na natin ang mga tenga ng baboy until they achieve a golden brown in color on both sides, then set them aside. Now let's slice our white onions into tiny cubes. While we are waiting for our tenga ng baboy to cool down, then set them aside along with our finely chopped chicken liver. Ngayon, nag-cool down na ang ating iprinito na tenga ng baboy. It's time to give it a chop into tiny pieces, and toss them into a mixing bowl along with the chicken liver and finely chopped onions. Then season natin with ground black pepper, calamansi juice, seasoning powder, light soy sauce, and salt to taste. Mix it thoroughly until all ingredients blends together in harmony. Our expertly crafted pork sisig is complete and ready to tantalize your taste buds.